clear. Some of this is new junk. No? I thought that would be funny. No? Thank you for your pity laugh. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy looking for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So, where the stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those in the know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past might be the key to ensuring our future. Are you familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker? Excellent, good. We hear there is another Jedi, a scrapper like us. Does anyone know her name?
Princess Leia?
Rey, I was thinking, but Leia as well. They are both helping. That's why you joined us. Well, that, and of course, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the Force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. Wow. Okay, enough talk. Let's begin. We start with perhaps the most crucial element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. You could say that kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. I'm sure you recognize these from some of our great Jedi heroes. The blue crystal, wielded by Great Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker, exactly. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. Some call it the color of power. It's the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. Time for you to begin building your lightsaber. Let's start with choosing the kyber crystal. Everyone, go ahead and close your eyes for me, please. Now, in your mind's eye, what color do you see first? What color calls to you? All right, open your eyes, choose your crystal. Remember though, it is equally likely that crystal is choosing you.
Let me see.
Now, if you've not done so, please go ahead and place your crystal on the green crystal tray in front of you. Time to marry your crystal to your hilt. Your hilt, that is your center of control. Your hilt is where you wield your power. Your hilt is also the heart that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Minor detail. Just as you have selected your crystal, you will select individual pieces to create your unique lightsaber. You have everything you need in the boxes in front of you. You start with the chassis, then you'll use the activation plates, followed by the grips, the emitter, and finally the pommel cap. Building a lightsaber can be very tricky. Fortunately, you have the gatherers here to assist you and answer any questions you might have. They are very knowledgeable about lightsabers, so pay very close attention. However, before we begin, brothers, I need to know, are you ready? Yeah! Yes. All right, perfect. Let's build.
As you can see, it can be a little bit tricky.
She can help you.
Sometimes if you use the bigger end of the crystal towards yourself, it makes sense. Almost like so.
You gotta get it right in the middle. Put that.
One side is covered, right?
Yeah, almost. Use the force, Luke. Did you get it? It looks like you might have it. And they just a little adjusting. All right, you look inside. All right, red goes down at the bottom. Ooh, don't do that yet. Ooh. That one calling to you.
It's starting to get really cool.
That way? You had it right way.
The ones you have left, which ones do you want from the top?
You may have to. Yeah.
Just flip it. We can do that one like that. Slide that piece out.
All right. Hang on. Does it twist on?
It's starting to get happy.
Yeah, anything you want, buddy.
Does it go this way?
Friends, we are so very happy to provide this service, but I do need to remind you, lightsabers are technically conjured. saber from a replica, so do feel free to use that to your advantage. I'm not saying stormtroopers are dim, I'm just saying they're not that bright. Subtle difference. Nice. I think you're lightsabers. Beautiful. Do you already have lightsabers? Hey, we always use about this plan. I was going to say, it's foolish that we can go. But the lightsabers
When it's time for you to add for 10 minutes, okay? We're going to have
yeah, I mean, you too, though. Now,
You have to let her know
when we start
it's
our
that
process of
part's
activation, we are not force sensitive, so we can't actually activate the pistols on our own. That's why we have these chambers. They can be a little sensitive and volatile, so we do like to make sure everything is perfect with the build before we move on. But I don't want you to have any concerns. It's been a good 5 months since we lost the race. 4 months? Okay, you know what? We've never lost a thumb. Let's focus on that. Thumbs up, we say here, in the way up. All right, now if this is your first time on that too, welcome. Thank you for visiting us here at the Outpost. If you get a chance, try the blue milk. It's local, so you're helping out local farmers, local economy. Right, you can purchase green milk, it's just gross. Let me rephrase that. You are welcome to all of the green milk I don't want. Is that better? If you like the green milk, obviously I'm very happy for you. I was raised on the blue milk, which is probably why I prefer it. And 2, maybe if I didn't know where the green milk came from, I'd like it. But we won't know now, will we? All right, also, if this is your first time on our planet, you need to realize the majority of us don't live here at the Outpost. We all live in communities a little farther out. I'm from Sarabot, which is a lovely river valley. My family are actually lichen farmers. I'm the first of our family to go into selling scrap metal, which is what we sell here, scrap metal. What do we sell here? Scrap metal! Good, you're all very intelligent, perfect. We are just finishing up our final checks. I do take it as a personal insult that we have to get out the 0 days since our last incident sign. And that's been a while, so everyone just relax. You're fine. All right, if you're not done, so go ahead and place your hands on your hilts. Feel the connection between you and your saber. Is this your first lightsaber? Where are you going to use it? All right, please leave your sabers on your hilt holders. Take a couple steps back from your stations. Gatherers, please proceed.
Well done. Chosen a part of the skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more will become. For you, it is time.
Mr. Yoda. It is indeed time. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged.
Keep watching.
Builders, when I tell you, I would like you to step forward. Place your hands on your hilts, and when I give you the signal, together we will activate our lightsabers.
Don't touch
for the
it
very
yet.
first time. Builders, are you ready?
You ready?
Yes. Then it's time. Step forward, place your hand on your switch. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have now built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, well, that was funny. Okay, so in order to protect your saber and keep it safe from those who might confiscate it, we are pleased to present you with this saber sheath upon your departure. Our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as these lightsabers you have built. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your lightsabers and activate! Kill us fire!
Kill us fire!
Congratulations, lead your way out of the workshop.
There you go, buddy. Keeping it straight up, bud. Come here, buddy. There you go. I get it. Thank you.
Of course. Congratulations, everybody.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Wait a minute. We'll get out.
Light in first. We're going to make sure we exit out before we exit. We're going to strap it all back.
You're gonna get your hand burned.
Hey, bud. Right over here.
Is this how you do it?